This video is brought to you by Jazwares. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell so you're not gonna miss our latest Blackpink unboxing videos. Discover the collectible Blackpink line by Jazwares. Gather and pale blinks because Jazwares is hooking you up with this amazing giveaway. Each Blackpink prize pack includes a glowing hearts Lightstick, light up Plush heart, broken heart superstars, and Ddu-du collectible doll. Click the link in my description box to follow Jazwares on Instagram and show your Blackpink love by double tapping the heart in the giveaway announcement and tagging 2 friends in the comments. Winners will be announced on the Jazwares Instagram account and stories at the end of each week. XO! Action!